Hello traders and welcome to Propfirm Pilot. Traders, when it comes to prop trading, many firms use a two-step challenge to evaluate traders' skill before funding them. Today, we are diving deep into how Bluberry funded Funder Pro and Alpha Capital Group structure their two-step challenges, comparing their rules, targets, and multiple factors which makes them unique. Whether you are aiming for a faster funding or more flexible rules, this breakdown will help you to pick the best fit for your trading journey.
Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. 99% of traders lose money. Do your own research before making any trading decisions.
So let's start the video now. At first, I'll be searching for Propfirm Pilot. Let's go with the first website. So this is the brand new page of Propfirm Pilot. Here, even you can compare your favorite prop firms. So let's start with Bluberry Prime. The next one is Funder Pro. So I'll be selecting the Funder Pro Classic 2-Step Challenge. And let's select Alpha Capital Group now. I'll be selecting the 8% option. Let's remove the VMaster. And this is the side-by-side comparison of all the three prop firms. Let's start with the comparison now. At first, let's talk about the establishment. These are the places where these prop firms are based in. So basically, Bluberry Funded is based in St. Vincent and Grenadines, while Funder Pro is based in Malta, while Alpha Capital Group is in UK. So comparatively, St. Vincent and Malta are better options because UK comes under EU rules. Talking about the profit target, so Bluberry Funded is having 8% and 6% profit target in the second phase, while for Funder Pro, it's 10% in the first phase and 5% in the second phase. And in Alpha Capital Group, it's 8% in the first phase and 5% in the second phase. Talking about the maximum loss, so in Bluberry Funded, it's 10% and Funder Pro is also having 10% criteria, while Alpha Capital Group is having 8% maximum loss criteria, which takes us to the maximum loss is to profit ratio. This is the ratio which helps us decide that which challenge is comparatively easier. The higher the ratio, the tougher the challenge. So here we can see that Bluberry Funded is having 1:1.4 ratio, while Funder Pro is having 1:1.5, while Alpha Capital Group is having 1:1.63. So here, comparatively, Bluberry Funded is easier to pass. Now let's talk about daily loss limit. So in Bluberry Funded, we are having 4% balance-based daily loss limit, while Alpha Capital is also having 4%, and Funder Pro is having 5% daily loss limit. While Funder Pro and Alpha Capital Group is having balance-based or equity-based daily loss, which means that whichever will be higher will be taken as consideration for the highest point of the daily loss. Now let's talk about minimum trading days. These are the minimum days or the least days you need to trade in the prop firm. So in Bluberry Funded, they are having a 5-day criteria, while Funder Pro and Alpha Capital Group are not having any minimum trading day criteria. Now let's talk about payout frequency. So all of the three prop firms are having bi-weekly payout frequency. Talking about the profit split, so in Bluberry Funded, you are going to get 60% profit split, while in Funder Pro and Alpha Capital Group, they are giving you 80% of the profit split. So comparatively, Funder Pro and Alpha Capital Group is better. Now, if you are someone who trade the news, which means you scalp through the news time, in Bluberry Funded, Funder Pro and Alpha Capital Group, you won't be able to do it. While for weekend holding, Bluberry Funded allows weekend holding, while Funder Pro and Alpha Capital Group doesn't allow it. Now the next factor is consistency rule. Talking about the consistency rule is the rule which means that the prop firm caps you a certain amount of profit of your overall profit in a single day, while Funder Pro and Bluberry Funded are not having any such criteria. But in Alpha Capital Group, you can't book 40% of your overall profit in a single day. Talking about the brokers, so Bluberry Funded, Funder Pro and Alpha Capital Group all are having in-house broker, which means that they are more reliable about the brokerage service. Now the next factor is type of accounts. So in Bluberry Funded and Alpha Capital Group, they are offering you simulated account. While in FundaPro, you will be getting live account, which means that you will be trading account with real capital. So here, FundaPro stands out. Talking about the commission, so in Bluberry Funded, you need to pay $7 per lot in Forex. And in Alpha Capital Group, it's $2.5 per lot. While in FundaPro, they are not asking for any commission. Now let's move to the next factor, that is spread. So all of the three prop firms are having raw spread, while it's optional in Alpha Capital Group, which means that you can buy an add-on to reduce this spread. Now let's talk about leverage. So in Bluberry Funded, they are giving you 1:30x leverage, while in FundaPro, this might be a typo error, but it's 1:100. While in Alpha Capital Group, they are also having 1:100. Talking about the trading platforms they offer, so in Bluberry Funded, you get a little wide option, that is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade and TradeLocker. While in FundaPro, you will be getting TradeLocker, CTrader. And in Alpha Capital Group, you will be able to trade in MetaTrader 4, CTrader and DXTrade. Now the last and the major thing is the fees of all the programs. So I'll be directly comparing 100k accounts fees. So in Bluberry Funded, you need to pay $900 for a 100k account, while in FundaPro, they are asking you for $539. And in Alpha Capital Group, it's $577. So comparatively, Bluberry Funded is quite expensive. So traders, do write me into the comments that which one is your favorite prop firms. Thank you for watching. And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more prop firm insights. Drop your questions or which firm you want me to review next. See you in the next video. Till then, happy trading!